All right, today, so we have a Ruger American in 308. We have made it a short barreled rifle. We've cut the barrel down to 12 inches, and then we used an aluminum wish can that had to be re-welded. As you can see here on the end, there is weld, and it looks like there's no anodizing because there's not. Sandblasted it all off. We're gonna see if it can hold up to a few rounds of 308 on this 12 inch barrel with all the new chamber pressures and whatnot. I really don't think it will, but we'll find out here momentarily as we fiddle with our bipod. We have 3 rounds of 150 grain full metal jacket 308, and we're gonna test it out. So stay tuned. This might go great. It might go horribly. First round. Immediately the seam on the weld cracked. Do you see it? Immediately. First round. This thing's done. It's done. Let's take the can off. If it'll come off. Oh, there we go, right there. Now, we can't show certain things on YouTube, so I won't show you how it comes on or off. But I can let you know that magazine was removed. We're gonna put the magazine in, and we're gonna try firing it without. Any kind of flash hider or muzzle device and see what happens. Oh. Stout. Last round. Stout little recoil, but I'll end up putting a muzzle device or something. This thing definitely has become super handy for the four-wheeler, for hiking around, and for carry. It's just out of the way. So there's definitely a pro for short barrel. You might ask, why would you make it a 12-inch barrel? I was gonna do an AR-10 with a 12-inch barrel, and ended up taking what I already had because all of the moose that I've shot have been under 200 yards. So this is more convenient on the four-wheeler, but also it's just handy, and I don't need the extra velocity for what I'm doing. Got any questions? Leave comments down in the bottom. See you guys next time.